Welcome back to our channel, where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Because who wants buyer's remorse? Not us. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning, with two contenders ready to battle it out: the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop on the left, and the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop on the right. Let's see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk about the price. The PurSteam is priced at $99, making it an attractive option for those on a budget. Reviewers appreciate this affordability, stating it offers great value for the features provided. On the other hand, the Bissell is priced at $154. While it's more expensive, some reviewers mention that it's worth the investment for its performance, especially in homes with pets. So if you're trying to save a few bucks, PurSteam wins this round. Next, let's dive into cleaning power. The PurSteam boasts a chemical-free cleaning option that many reviewers love, particularly for its effectiveness on tough surfaces like kitchen floors and shower doors. It heats up in just 30 seconds, allowing for quick cleaning. Meanwhile, the Bissell SpinWave is praised for its powerful spinning mop pads that tackle grout lines and stubborn dirt, making it easier for users with physical limitations. If you're after a natural shine without much effort, Bissell may take the lead in cleaning power. Let's talk versatility. The PurSteam is a multifunctional device, serving as a handheld steamer, carpet cleaner, and fabric freshener. Reviewers highlight its various attachments that can tackle different cleaning tasks. In contrast, the Bissell offers cordless convenience, providing 20 minutes of runtime. While it's great for quick cleaning sessions, some users note that the battery life could be improved. If you love options, PurSteam is your go-to. Now, let's check out the accessories. The PurSteam comes with an impressive array of attachments, including brushes and nozzles, making it feel like a complete cleaning toolkit. Reviewers mention this as a significant advantage. On the other hand, the Bissell includes soft-touch pads and cleaning formulas, but some users feel it lacks the variety that PurSteam offers. So if you want a wide range of options, PurSteam is the clear winner. Overall, both products have their strengths and weaknesses according to user reviews. PurSteam is favored for its affordability, versatility, and comprehensive accessories, while Bissell is appreciated for its powerful cleaning performance and ease of use, particularly for pet owners. However, Bissell's battery life is a common concern among users. Thanks for joining us in this comparison. Which product do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product comparisons. Links to both products are in the description. Until next time, happy cleaning!